Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will draw a shark with color pencils. First we make a curving line for the back and then another one for the lower part. I don't think you can see this line, so I'll go over it with white. Yeah, that's better. As you see, I'm drawing on blue cardboard paper. Sharks are pretty aerodynamic, or should we say hydrodynamic? We draw the big mouth and then the eye. The fin on the back, so characteristic of a shark, the other fins, and the tail. This is a great white shark, so let's divide the white area. They are white underneath and grey on the upper part. I'm using a light grey pencil for this. These sharks are very sensitive. In fact, they can detect electromagnetic fields emitted by the movement of living animals. Great whites are so sensitive they can detect variations of 500 millionth of a volt. This means that at a close range they can detect even immobile animals by perceiving their heartbeat. That's amazing, isn't it? And we will draw this lower area with the light grey. I press less when moving toward the back. I'll try to make lighter and less defined the back area toward the tail, because of the amount of water between us and that part. And now, with the lighter grey, let's create some illumination, like the sunlight that goes through the water and creates this type of reflections. The light affected by the waves of the sea. Alright, and with the very dark grey, let's draw the upper part of the shark. We will draw him darker on the side, because the upper part will be illuminated, of course. I invite you to follow me on Instagram at artistleonardo to check out my new works of art. And let's draw the teeth. The list of materials that I am using is in the description below the video. The brighter spots are where two lines of reflection cross, and make sure to follow the shape of the shark with these lines. And we make some more of them. I love drawing so much. It is a very enjoyable process. And we go dark in between the teeth. Let's not forget a very important characteristic of the sharks, which is the gills. I think most people have an image of the great white shark as a man-eater. This because of the novel Jaws and the film directed by Spielberg with the same title. But it turns out humans are not a favorite meal for the shark. We are too bony. The bone-to-flesh and fat ratio is hardly worth it. Nevertheless, I'll probably die if I see one when swimming in the sea. I drew some beams of light through the water and now the shark's shadow. And since we have the light illuminating the shark, we should also do some lighting on the bottom of the ocean. And if you made it all the way to this point, I would love to know it. Please write me the secret code, a shark with a smile. And it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, subscribe to Fine Art Tips if you haven't done so already, click on the little bell to get notifications of new videos, and I will see you with more creations on Tuesday.